Hello and welcome to the Hamilton channel. I'm using this video to show you how to use the monthly surveillance report. If you look on the bottom, you'll see that there's green tabs. This is where everyone can go. The yellow tab is for the SMEs. The SMEs will find that there is a PWS statement for every single SME description on the contract, and you can come down here and actually read what's on the contract for your SME position. It'd be a good idea for you to get familiar with that. Also, there's minimum education experience requirements written in some of these. Please make sure that you qualify for those. If not, please let me know. That might be an issue. These red tabs over here, please stay out of those. That's where all the macros and the drop downs are all coming from, so I don't want my tool broken. So we'll quickly come over here. So name, you'll see there's a bunch of blanks. You've got to scroll up. The blanks are down there because I don't expect you to be the only people working on this contract, so I might need to add some names to this as we go along. I don't want to have to change the tool every week. So find your name, select the date, pretty easy stuff. Select the company that you work for. Select the project that you're working on. These projects are directly out of our contract. So if you're not finding it on here, better let me know. Might not supposed to be doing it here. So we've got a PM category, FM category, the admin, DMs, and security manager, and SME. When you select one, that will unlock this cell so that you can select the deliverables that are associated with that labor category. You might find that this cell is not working. Don't get frustrated. It just means that you didn't select a labor category yet. Each time you select one, you're going to get a different set of deliverables. These are directly out of our PWS. If you don't see it on this list, select Other. We're also capturing here process improvements, awards and recognition. So if you've got any of that going on, please make sure that you select one of those two as well so that we can quickly find out who's been working on process improvements and who's been getting awards, etc. So once you select a PWS statement here, we'll go to RFP. Then you can select the type of work. Is it a new item? Is this the first time that you've been reporting on this? Is it an item that you've been reporting on for months now? Is it the completion of an item? Is it the completion of a deliverable or a task? Or is this just a reoccurring item, something that has to be done every single month, every single week? Or is this some additional duty outside of your normal, some kind of an additional duty that doesn't necessarily map directly into the PWS statements? Then, over here for a bullet, just provide me with some kind of a bullet that can quickly tell me what it is that you accomplished or worked on and why it is significant enough to be reporting at the end of the month. As you see here, you'll see drafted the quad charts as part of the overall $15 million web proxy program acquisition strategy. I did not actually do that, but somebody might have. You'll see that it says what was done, what was being worked on, the acquisition strategy. It's got a little impact in here, $15 million. It identifies the program, yada, yada. You don't have to put your name in here. Your name is already associated with this bullet way over here. Please don't use I, me, we, that kind of stuff. If you can get away with that, try to avoid that. We want to be able to quickly cut those bullets out and stick them directly into procedurals or monthly reports to the government, PMRs, all that kind of stuff. So I don't want to have to go back and wordsmith a bunch of this. This is going to save me a lot of time. There are 150 of you on the contract. Multiply that by 3 to 5 statements. That's a lot of statements to go through and try to reword. So please try to stay away from doing that. In the explanation, this is where you can go into more detail and describe exactly what this is all about. If it is a reoccurring item or something that you work on often, please make sure that you don't keep changing the name of it. Make sure that there's some way that I can do a sort and a flow and find that you've been working on this for several months. It's the same type of thing. When it started, when it was completed, etc. So this is going to be due on the third duty day of every month. It's going to be due to your group lead. Just send them your inputs, just your new ones. You can work with your group lead on how they would like to receive those. Those are due to them on the 3rd because they're due to me on the 4th because I owe this to the company on the 5th. You can do this all month long. You don't have to wait until the last minute. As you accomplish things during the month, you can put it into this. This is going to be yours. Every single person will have one. So your list will get very, very long. It's pretty simple. You can copy and paste most of this information because most of this will not change, except for the months, of course. And then all the different products you work on, type of work it is, bullets. This will get very, very long. You can use this for self-evaluations, awards, any of that kind of stuff. Help bolster your resume, whatever you want to do with it. But we're going to use it for procedurals, evaluations, proposals, all that kind of stuff. I will keep a master of this, which will have everyone on the task order. Your group lead will have everyone in their area, and you will have just you. If you have any questions, ask your group lead, ask me, and I believe that completes the training.